Ohayo, kininayo, pabasa tayo. Lakay ko babasa sa comment. Did you read now?
Oh. From
Mm.
Lenny Martin.
Oh, anchang ko. Oh, what she said?
Pa-shout out man. Met Kabagis di bunyag toy. Kakasuna mga kapututa. Maika, 17th birthday na ni John Luis Portuguese.
Portuguese, nipote. Happy ting to you.
Ken iikamet ti mayat nga pamagbaga ang bilang apong na.
She's asking a good advice. Give him a nice word.
Oh, potang. You need to be a good young man and listen to your mama. She knows. If not, palo. Because I know she's mean. So
How did you know?
Just tolerate her for now. Then when you get old, you can move out, go on your own. Just joking. Potang. Tanging them all. Potang. Listen to your mama. And we wish you all the best. Good health, good fortune, and all those other good wishes we wish for you. Enjoy your 17th birthday. Oh, you're getting old na.
Allah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Nana.